Littlest Pet Shop Adoption Center, Part 2. Okay, now we just wait, and there should be some customers. Okay, and this is Happy. He is the loyalist dog we have. Okay, and up here is Macy. She's not so nice. Then up here is Jackie. Is she crying? I'm afraid so. She really wants to be adopted. And up there is Fiona. So which one's quick? Well, are there any more? Of course, lots more. We just got a few new ones. Can I see them? Yeah, sure. Come on, let's go. Here they are up here. Cool. That is Frosty. He's a cat. Over here is a bunny. See? Right here is Max. Oh, he's so cute. And then behind you is Stripes, the tiger. Ah! Oh, get him away! Get him away! Okay. I like Max. Okay, finish. Oh, did you find everything okay? Yes, we did. Can you stay right there for 1 second? I gotta do the sheet. Okay, come on, Max. Let's sit down. Any more customers than we are? Who's this? Oh, I'm gonna volunteer. I just volunteered. Great to know. Okay. Now. Okay. You cannot replace him, treat him bad, send him back to the adoption center, or anything like that, okay? Okay, got it. Come on, Max, let's go. Nice people. Spoiled. Now, what am I gonna do? Well, since we're both working, I guess you can just sit down and relax. Cool! Ah, so cool. There should be some more customers. Come on. No! 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 Come on. Come on. Hello. Hi. Hello. Welcome to the Littlest Pet Shop Adoption Center. Would you like to buy, sell, or just help out? We would like to sell. Really? You want to sell? Keep it strong. Keep it strong. Oh, okay. Which one? This one. Okay, 1 second. Let me just get his little... Okay, well, let me sign my page. Page B4. B4! Up at the top. Okay, come on, sweetie, we're going. But I'm gonna be nice. Forever. No! At least let him. Now. Aren't you gonna go now? actually, we decided that we would like to adopt now. Well, let me ask the manager about this. Mom, what is it? There's these people that just dropped off a dog and now they want to adopt. Let me talk to them. Okay, guys. Did you just drop off another dog? Yeah, he was a very sorry. We tried making him listen. He never did. Well, I remember you coming here yesterday. You broke a law. Well, not a law, but you broke a rule of ours that to never return them. You returned them behind my back. So, I have to say, you can't get another one for a year till you learn how to respect. I'm sorry. Oh, that's okay. We never want another one again. Well, at least that's fixed. Yep. Where is Crystal? Oh, Mom, she's upstairs. We have a new volunteer. Yep. Does she know everything? Yeah, she knows everything by heart. Isn't that cool? Yeah, totally. Cool. So, what's your name? My name's Trixie. Oh, hello, Trixie. Okay, Trixie, I'm going to assign you at 6 o'clock. We're closing up and we're going to start feeding the animals.